3 months or so with an ankle injury, the middle part of the campaign.
He just splits two defenders and then Loftus-Cheek catches him late.
Big part of the story in terms of the USA. Kyle Walker. England trying to be inside the area. Trippier with it, and the bullet header. John Stones wheels away. An early lead for England. Panama unable to deal with the threat at the set.
But now with Panama, they said coming in.
Barcenas. Oh, not a bad ball. Just it's offside against Raheem Sterling. His first World Cup at the age of 37. Goal of record. Sterling. And Barcenas. Just a whisker wide.
He solved the pressure well there, and then Barcenas just holds his position.
Oh, buoyed by that. Here they come again, Panama.
It's hard to see there as he strikes through it, just the contact.
And for this generation, so many of the players of the squad in their 30s. Dele Alli. And here's Lingard. And in a fruitful position. And the referee.
The ball out to Trippier, and then Lingard just sitting off that shoulder of Escobar. And there's not much room there, but they're able to feather those balls in behind.
Scorer of both England goals in the victory. Here's the England skipper, Kane! Beautifully taken penalty. Consummately converted. Place to record a record margin of victory in a World Cup game. We'll come back to it.
Lingard just slipping behind. On this time, it's the left side.
Changes for that game. As for Kane, Henderson, neat and tidy from England. Sterling has only ever scored twice for England. His last goal coming. Sterling. Mr. Eric Davis. Strong header of Toy. And they try again. Panama.
So they've had great teams before, but not like this.
Another scurry by. Difficult to visualise a room.
Trippier.
It comes from Trippier. There's Maguire.
He just uses that strength to get the better end.
That's attempting to open things up. Young. Lingard. Looking purposeful. Gets it back. Oh, that is stunning from Jesse Lingard. A goal out of the top drawer at the World Cup finals from Jesse Lingard for England. Although 8 all season, his best ever scoring campaign. Too much headway, Rodriguez. Blas Perez and then Barcenas.
And no one makes
The first time of asking. And then Poland against Colombia. Trippier at the England controls. The pass by Trippier in the end. Kane's header. Sterling! It's another one for John Stones! And England have 4 in a World Cup match for the first time since the 1966 final. Loftus-Cheek, brilliant play. Sterling, Lingard.
Just Cheek with that little slip ball. Cuts it across the grain.
Off Torres. He thought that had a chance of going in. Trippier. Again.
And it was Kane too. They tussle. Murillo's got his arm wrapped around him.
Against Panama. Only the second match at the World Cup finals.
I think it's an elbow that rises up from Cooper and catches him. Yep, sure enough.
England are doing plenty to boost their goal difference. Smith in our Moscow studio during the interval. Rising to the England boss. I don't think Gareth says Ruben Loftus-Cheek. Maguire. Oh, that was glorious from Kane and Stern. Kane. Pause and headings for the better from their point of view. Basinas. Seeing than football. England should have the situation under control. Kyle, victory for them at the World Cup, and Loftus-Cheek, deflection there. It is 6. Well, the goal for England. Themselves at the World Cup despite the scoreline, and Avila